Hello, this is Mark Alyn from ScanTexas. This is a simulated demonstration of an ability to read RFID tags in a certain area and how close we can be from a reader. This particular example would be work in process on a rack, possibly about 6 foot by 8 foot tall. You can see here I'm using a reader, the FX9600, that can have 4 antennas, but for the purposes of today's demonstration, I'm only doing 1 antenna, and I'm using here the AN480 antenna. And you can see here it's got a nice wide pattern. I can scan the tags that I'm using for today's demonstration out to almost 20 feet. So what we're going to do is we have a tag here in the middle. We have a tag there over an end approximately 4 feet away. And then we can see that another tag over here, thank you, Chair, for being our prop, is simulating, and this is exactly 5 feet from where that tag is to right here in the middle. Sorry, I'm jumping around so much on the video. So now, let's go ahead and tell the little Zebra 123 RFID desktop to start, and let's see which reads. The 74 tag, that's the one way over there by the TV. The second one, the 0202, that's the one that's right here in front. And then the E286 one, that's the one we're scanning way over here. And it is using the ABR4000 inlay from Zebra that we could easily put on a 3x2 polyester label or paper label or 4x2. Yeah, so as you can see here, we're getting pretty good reads, which means we might be able to cover an entire 6 foot by 8 foot area with just 1 antenna. But we could easily just use 2 or 4 antennas just to provide antennas, one here and then one over here and a little bit more of a matrix.